CyberSafe for Business protects your business. The number one target of hackers is your small business. They're taking credit card data, healthcare records, IP, everything your business stands for, which can result in fines, legal costs, even the loss of your business. Protecting a business against hacks and lawsuits is the number one concern of small business owners. What you need is peace of mind. For $19.95 per month, CyberSafe for Business provides a shield of insurance, compliance, and information sharing around your small business to protect you before and after a hack. There's no technology to download or install, no long forms or applications to fill out, no legal or consultant expenses. Simply enroll on our website and join our community of small business owners who sleep well at night knowing they're protected by CyberSafe for Business. It's that easy. CyberSafe for Business members are automatically enrolled in our information sharing community, providing cyber alerts and resources you can use to defend your business. Your CyberSafe membership makes your business compliant with federal law and shielded with legal protections against lawsuits. You'll also receive $100,000 of cyber insurance that covers major cyber threats against your business and can be used to pay for legal defense costs to claim coverage under federal law and get lawsuits dismissed if you are sued. A small business breach can cost you $120,000. Similar products can cost up to $10,000, but you'll get all this protection with CyberSafe for Business for just $19.95 a month. So stop worrying about hacks and give yourself the peace of mind you deserve. Sign up for CyberSafe for Business today. CyberSafe for Business, protecting American companies.